Research suggests investing in skills like creativity and adaptability is crucial in the age of AI, as they complement machine capabilities. It seems likely that focusing on areas where human ingenuity excels, such as critical thinking and innovation, can make you irreplaceable. The evidence leans toward choosing skills, easily automated, like routine tasks, to prioritize those requiring human judgment. Excelling in your chosen path involves lifelong learning and leveraging AI as a tool, not a competitor. Your uniqueness in the AI era likely stems from personal experiences and the ability to connect ideas in novel ways. Imagine Sarah, a 28-year-old graphic designer, sitting in her small apartment at 9:21 a.m. on a Sunday, April 6, 2025, scrolling through news articles about AI revolutionizing design. Her heart skips a beat as she reads about AI-generated art-winning competitions. Is my job at risk? She wonders, feeling a mix of awe and anxiety. This scenario captures the modern challenge in a world where machines can create, compute, and converse. How does one stay relevant? The answer lies in investing in oneself, a concept with deep philosophical roots and practical implications. Investing in oneself has historically been about growth and self-improvement, but in the age of AI, it takes on new urgency. As technology advances, certain skills become obsolete, while others gain prominence. The philosophical lens here draws from existentialism, particularly Jean-Paul Sartre's idea that existence precedes essence, suggesting we define ourselves through our choices and actions. In the face of deterministic technologies, asserting human agency through creativity, adaptability, and innovation becomes paramount. This aligns with the insight that the best investment is yourself, as you are your most important asset, capable of generating further assets. The first step is choosing skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. Research suggests focusing on areas where human ingenuity excels, such as creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability. For Sarah, this meant recognizing that while AI can generate designs, it lacks the ability to understand cultural contexts or client needs deeply. Creativity isn't just about producing art, it's about infusing it with meaning, drawing from personal experiences, and connecting with audiences. Critical thinking allows for navigating complex, changing environments, and adaptability ensures you can pivot as industries evolve. This approach is supported by the idea of committing to lifelong study and self-mastery, which can yield amazing results over years, focusing on facets like education and success. Unchoosing irrelevant skills is about identifying tasks easily automated and letting go of them to focus on higher value activities. Sarah realized spending hours on tasks like resizing images or applying filters was unnecessary when AI could do it in seconds. By delegating these routine tasks, she freed up time to conceptualize innovative designs and build client relationships. This process, humorously likened to letting AI handle the boring stuff while you sip your latte and dream up the next big trend, is crucial for efficiency. It aligns with the strategy of focusing on intangibles like skills and education, rather than tangibles like gadgets or stocks, ensuring at least a tiny positive ROI that compounds over time. For others, this might mean a teacher letting go of grading multiple choice tests, which AI can automate, to focus on facilitating discussions that foster critical thinking. The key is discernment. Ask, can this be done by a machine? If yes, unchoose it. If no, double down. Once the path is chosen, excelling requires dedication and strategic use of AI. Sarah committed to lifelong learning, attending workshops, seeking mentorship, and staying abreast of industry trends. She also learned to leverage AI as a tool, using it to experiment with new design techniques and streamline her workflow. This symbiosis, where AI becomes an ally rather than an adversary, is rooted in the insight of developing the ability to make tangible results through disciplined practice and strategic thinking. For example, she might use AI to generate initial design ideas, then refine them with her unique style, enhancing productivity without losing her human touch. For professionals, this means your irreplaceability lies in your capacity for creativity that resonates ethical judgment, that navigates complexity, and adaptability that anticipates future needs. For instance, a teacher might be irreplaceable for their ability to inspire students through personal anecdotes, while an engineer might stand out for designing solutions that consider human impact, areas where AI falls short. In conclusion, investing in yourself in the age of AI is about embracing your human strengths and using technology to amplify them. It's a journey of self-discovery, strategic learning, and creative expression. So, whether you're a designer like Sarah, a writer, a teacher, or in any other field, remember, the most valuable asset you have is yourself. Nurture it, challenge it, and let it flourish in ways that only a human can. And next time you see an AI painting a masterpiece, don't panic, just remember, it can't appreciate the beauty of a sunset or the taste of chocolate. That's your domain.